Hello, everybody. It's so good to see you finally. Actually, I'm not seeing you, but hopefully you can see me. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're feeling good today. I know I'm feeling pretty good, but kind of sad too. This is my happy face. Can you smile too? Show me your happy face. Oh, that's awesome. And I'm kind of sad because I don't really get to be with you. Can you show me your sad face? Yeah, but I'm not going to cry. So I am going to share with you our morning routine this morning. But I want to say hi, Lachlan and Emma and Aubrey Ann, Jasmine and Jeremiah and Tristan and Gunnar. Julia, are you out there? And Emery and Ellery. Hello, Caden, are you there? And Treowin and Rocco and Lane. I hope you all got on. I'm so glad that I can share a little bit of time with you. You are very precious to me, and I sure love you. So, what do we do first when we come down here in the morning? Do you think we should start with our calendar? Let's try that. Do you remember what number that one is? Is that a difficult one? No, number 1. So let's count and see what day we should be on. 1, 2, can you count with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What comes after 20? 21, that's right, thanks for your help. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. What is this? Does anybody know? It's a birthday. Do you know whose birthday it was on Saturday? Yes, it was Jasmine's birthday. She is 6 years old. Happy birthday to Jasmine. And that happened on number, what comes after 27? Can you see that? A 28. Yes. And what's after 28? You're right. You're so smart. 29. And after 29? 30. Very good. Thanks for helping me. So today is Monday, March 30th. Can you say that with me? Today is Monday, March 30th. And did we keep our pattern going? Let's see. Let's start here. Pink, blue, green, purple, yellow. 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 Pink, blue, green, purple. What will come next? Yes, the yellow. Can you see that? Did we keep our pattern? We sure did. And that is a lot of elements in this pattern. How many? Did you count them? So remember, we start at one color and we count the elements until we get to the same color again. Then we stop and don't count that one. And that tells us how many elements are in our pattern. So we've got pink, blue, green, purple, yellow. Then it goes to pink. So we don't count the pink again. So let's see how many elements are from here before it gets to the pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you knew it. 5. Very good. We have 5 elements in our pattern. That's quite a few for our calendar. I don't know if we've ever had that many. All right. Do you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to start our day with prayer down here in the classroom. So will you pray with me? Jesus, thank you so much for today. Thank you that you love each one of us. And even though things are so different and I can't be with my students and my students can't be with me, Lord, thank you that they're safe at home with their families. Bless them, give them love, and help them to help each other. Lord, I ask that each of my students would be a blessing to their moms and dads. Amen. Thank you for praying with me. All right, we are going to sing our Days of the Week song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you for singing with me. And do you remember? Oh, we won't do our months of the year yet because then I have to move it, but we will do it in a little bit. But I want you to take a look at our pocket chart. I think I have everybody's name in our pocket chart. Let's see if I do. Can you read the pocket chart with me? I'll move you over this way so you can see just a little bit better. Can you see that? All right, let's try it. Oh, that's quite high. There. How's that? Maybe you can't see the names on the stars. I'll try moving you just a little closer. Oh, but then, whoops, and I lost you. Are you still there? Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? I hope that didn't hurt you. All right, let's try this again. I don't know if I can read your names. I hope you can. Do you remember what this word is? I like Lane. And let's keep going because we always read from left to right. This is Caden and Jeremiah. Oh, we've got a new word here. Do you know what this word is? It starts with it. So it has the I sound, then the T sound. Can you put that together? It. It. Very good. Yes, that says it is Aubrey-Ann, Emma, and Emery. Let's try the next line. I see Treowyn, Rocco, and Ellery. That's you. Yes, it is. I am Lachlan. I can see Jasmine. We did that one. See Julia. I see Gunnar. And True. Oh, we don't need an and for true, do we? We need a word that begins with a vowel like Ellery or Emery. So maybe we should say, let's put this one here. And we'll move that word over. I am True and Tristan. True, Tristan. What's the same about those two names? Do you know? True, Tristan. Do you hear the T sound at the beginning? Very good. I do too. They both start with the letter T. Very good. Awesome. And we have our happy birthday song, and it is not the right way. Should we sing it the wrong way? How about we add Jasmine's name in here because she just had her birthday. Let's try it. Now, can you see all those words? Everybody see them? Let's try it. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, you dear. To you, happy birthday, you. Jasmine, what a funny way to sing the birthday song. Should we change it up so it's the right way? What do you think? Let's try it, okay? Happy needs to be first, so we need a word that begins with a sound. Happy birthday, then we need to, and we need a you. Happy birthday. What's going to come next? Because we have to do it again. We have to repeat. To, yes, to comes next. And then we need happy birthday, dear. So we don't need that too, but we need our name up there. And then where do we put to? To happy birthday you? No, that doesn't sound right. Happy to birthday you? No, not there. How about happy birthday to you? Is that right? Okay, let's try it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jasmine. Happy birthday to you. Very good. Thank you for singing with me. I think we should try our months of the year and our color words. Let's turn this way and see if we can see them. So we'll move this a little over here. Whoops, I lost you again. Are you there? Didn't anyone get their nose bumped? I hope not. Okay, I see the color words. We might have to move it down for the birthday or the months of the year. Okay, let's try. First we'll do color words. So what word is this one? Yellow, pink, purple, white, red, orange, green, brown, hard to see that brown word, black, and blue. Very good. Now let's try the months of the year song. There we go. Thank you. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. How about, do any of you remember the actions to our alphabet action song? Let's try that right now. So we're going to switch over here. And can you see those alphabet words? Before we do the alphabet, let's try I'm going to move it just a little closer so we can see our sight words just a little bit better. Can you see them all there? All right, let's try our sight words. So we have and, an, am, can, from, God, is, and look at this, I is lying down. He must be tired this morning. Let's turn him this way. I, Jesus, love, like, me, my, what's this one? Do you remember that one? Starts with N. No, good job. On, they have the same letters, but this one starts with N for no. This one starts with aw for on. Very good. And then we have see, the, to, this, up, what, yes, and you. Wonderful. Okay, I'm going to move us back so we can do our alphabet action songs, and I can do the actions with you, I hope. We still see, yep, we do still see Z. All right, do you remember these actions? I hope so. Let's try them. What letter is that again? A. Yes, the alphabet starts with the letter A. A, alligator. A, alligator. B, bounce a ball. B, bat a ball. C, cat. C, cat. D, drum. D, drum. E, elephant. E, elephant. Whoa, I went to F. And F, fly. F, fly. G, guitar. G, guitar. H, hop. H, hop. I, itchy. I, itchy. J, jump. J, jump. K, kick. K, kick. L, lip. L, lip. M, march. M, march. N, no. N, no. O, opera. O, opera. P, pop. P, pop. Q, quiet. Q, quiet. R, run. R, run. S, slide. S, slide. T, turn. T, turn. Oh, I'm right out of the picture. Let's move it this way a little bit. Did you all turn? Good job. U, up, you up. Viva victory, viva victory. W wave, W wave. X, 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 X. Y yo yo, Y yo yo. Z zipper, Z zipper. Do you have a zipper on today? I do. Mine can go up and, I undid it. Let's do it up again. And then it can go down. All right. What do we do next in the morning exercises? Does everybody have their fast start poems? Can you find your fast start poems? I'm going to move us over here. And I'm going to get out. Oh my goodness, I lost you again. I am so sorry. Uh-oh. We're really falling off the chair. Okay, let's try this again. Somehow, I hope it's going to work. Okay. So our fast start poems today are 49 and 50. If you need to, you can stop this video until you find your fast start poems and look for page 49. We're going to start with 49, okay? So this one is called, this is a number word. Does anybody know that number word? It starts with three. Very good. 3. L-it-o. Little. Very good. And k-it ends. Kittens. Awesome. 3 little kittens. Do you know this poem? Maybe you can read it along with me and use your finger as you touch. As you read each word, you can touch a word as we go. 3 little kittens lost their mittens, and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear that we have lost our mittens. Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 and we can have no pie. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, those poor, sad kittens, hey? They are very, very sad. I wonder why they're so sad. Do you remember? What was it in the poem? You're right, they couldn't have their pie. Do you like pie? What's your favorite kind of pie? Oh, that is a good kind. You know what my favorite is? It's apple pie. Does anybody here like apple pie? Yeah, it's good. Oh yes, lemon pie is good too, and cream pie, they are all so good. On this poem, can you find a word that you can read all by yourself? Now, I know some of you can read all the words in this poem, but some of you maybe can pick out 1 or 2 of our sight words that are in this poem. Do you see any of them? Yes, and you know 2? That's it there. If you would like, you can use a pencil or a marker and you can circle the words that you can read. Unless you can read them all, then you don't have to circle them all. Maybe you want to circle 1 or 2 of the really hard words to circle. But, oh yes, that one, that's a sight word, you. And yeah, there's no. Good job. And I found can. Did you find can? Right there on the second last line. And there's no again. And an. Very good. That's awesome. How many claps do you think are in the word kittens? Can you hear them? Kittens. How many claps? Yes, 2. Kittens. How many are in lost? How many claps? Lost. Yes, 1. How about greatly? Greatly. Yeah, that's 2. Very good. How about meow? How many claps in that word? Meow. Yes, 2. What about pie? Yes, 1. Very, very good. I have here some masks. I can turn myself into a kitten. Can you be a kitten? Maybe sometime today you would like to make a kitten mask. So what shape is this mask in? If you draw, it's like an oval, yes. If you draw an oval and then put 2 triangles up on top for the ears, you can make yourself a kitten mask. What other shapes do you see in this? Yes, circles for the eyes. Yeah, a circle for the nose. And then a smile that even touches the nose of this one. Here I have another kitten. And he's the same, isn't he? Only what's different about him? You're right. He is a different color. And how about this one? Yes, there are 2 that are exactly the same. Can you tell which ones they are? Yeah, they're these 2. Very good. And why is this one different? That's right. It's kind of using a sorting rule. It's a different color, so it is different. And how many do I have altogether? 2 plus 1 more is how many altogether? You're right. It's 3. Can you count to 3? 1, 2, and 3. 3 little kittens. Very good. Now I'm going to say a word really, really slowly, and you see if you can put those sounds together and make it into a word that you understand, okay? So here are the sounds to the first one. Th-er-e. Can you put those sounds together? Th-er-e. Yes, 3. How about the-a? Yes, they. L-it. Oh, little, very good. L-a-s-t. Yes, lost. How about this one? You got to wait till I get to the very end sound before you try to say it, okay? Because there's sounds all the way to the end. And I know some of you are so smart, you'll want to say the word before I even get to the end, but please wait. M-it-e-n-s. Did you catch that one? Yes, mittens. If you waited to the end, then you would have got that S on the end. How about this one? M-a-th-er. Yes, mother. Mother is such a special person in our lives, isn't she? I hope you will give her lots of hugs today because she needs them. How many claps are in mother? Yes, 2. What about mittens? Very good. Little. Very good. 3. Yeah, that one's just 1. 3. And they. 1. And lost. Yes, 1. Very good. Okay, let's try the next poem. Do you see it there? This one is called Cats. You know that word. That's our sight word. And their hats. Cats and their hats. 3 little cats lost their hats, and they began to shake. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear that we have lost our hats. Lost your hats, you naughty cats, then you shall have no cake. Meow, 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 and we can have no cake. Meow, meow, meow. Are these cats sad like the other cats were? Yeah. But why are these ones sad? Is it because they can't have pie? You're right, it's not pie. This one's about cake. They can't have cake. Oh, that is sad, because cake is delicious too. Let's play the riddle game for this poem. So all the answers rhyme with bake. Okay, wait till I ask you the riddle before you say a rhyming word. In the rhyme, the cats want a piece of, yes, cake. Very good. Here's the next one. You something a picture with crayons. And it begins with You and it rhymes with bake. You yes, make a picture with crayons. Now try the next one. If something's not real, it's, and it begins with yes. If something's not real, it's fake. Very good. All right. We did our fast start poems together. Thank you for helping me. Today we are talking about weather and clouds. So I want you to come and listen to some books that I want to read to you. The first one actually is called Weather. I hope you can see the pictures as I read. Weather. Yes, that's the word weather. I wonder what kind of weather is showing on this picture. Can you see? Yes, it's rainy. Very good. It's by Pamela Chenko. When it is sunny, you can play outside. That's fun. When it is rainy, you can splash in puddles. I hope we find some puddles to splash in later on. Maybe today, but you know what? It's really cold. I think the puddles are frozen over. When you go outside, check and see. Are puddles frozen or can you jump in them and make a splash today? Check it out. When it is hot, you can go to the beach. Do you think we can go to the beach today? No. When it is cold, that's kind of like our weather today, isn't it? You can go ice skating. When it is snowy, you can build a snowman. Thanks for helping me read. When it is windy, what do you think we can do? You can fly a kite. I love all kinds of weather, but sunny and warm is my favorite. Let's try this one. It's called sun. Sun. Very good. Yes, that's the word sun. This book is written by Susan Canizares too, and Daniel Morton. All right. When the sun rises, it is day. The sun lights and warms. Lights and warms. I don't think it's winter in these pictures. Lights and warms. When the sun sets, what happens, do you think? It is night. I hope you are going outside sometimes to see the sun, but don't look at it. But then at nighttime, if you look up in the sky, do you still see the sun? No, you should see what? Yes, the moon, and what's way off past the moon? Stars. Very good. We can see those at night. But this is a song book I want you to sing with me. If you know it, please sing along, okay? It's called Mr. Sun. Let's try it. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Very good. Thank you for singing with me. Today, we are looking at or talking about clouds. So we talked about weather in those ones, and lots of sunny weather is fun. Here is a picture of clouds and cloud shapes. What shape is this cloud? Yeah, it's a circle. What shape is this cloud? Yes, a square. What shape is this cloud? Yeah, rectangle, yes. And this one up here is triangle. Sometimes when we look at clouds, we can see shapes in them. Maybe they look something like an animal or a person or a thing, maybe a castle or a house. You can check outside today and see if you see clouds. I want to read 2 more books to you, and this one is called Clouds. Clouds. What does that cloud shape look like? Yeah, a rabbit. All right, let's see about this cloud book. Look up in the sky. What do you see? Clouds. What is a cloud? Tiny drops of water or ice floating in the air. Clouds help us guess what the weather will be. What kind of clouds are there? Stratus clouds float low in the sky, flat as sheets, and they may bring rain or drizzle. Cumulus clouds are white and pile high in the air. That means fair weather is coming. Cirrus clouds are white and curly. They float highest of all and bring a change in weather. He's up in a balloon, isn't he? When any of these clouds turn dark, we call them nimbus. That means rain or snow if it's cold. When a cloud lies on the ground, we call it fog. Just be careful when you walk through it. You can also visit clouds by flying through them or above them. Don't get caught in a cloud burst. Who needs all this rain anyway? Do you know? Plants do, and so do farmers. Others just enjoy it. Isn't it fun to watch clouds? What do you see here? Do you see any shapes? Yeah. This one looks like, yeah, a horse. That one looks like a dragon. Maybe even a face. Winds blow clouds many miles across the sky. When do clouds look best? When you look up and you see something wonderful. Yes, the sunset with clouds is so pretty, isn't it? I have one more book I want to share with you, and this one is called It Looked Like Spilt Milk. This is written by Charles Shaw. It looked like spilt milk. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, but it wasn't spilt milk. Sometimes it looked like, yes, a rabbit, but it wasn't a rabbit. Sometimes it looked like a bird, but it wasn't a bird. Sometimes it looked like a tree, but it wasn't a tree. Sometimes it looked like, yes, an ice cream cone, but it wasn't an ice cream cone. Sometimes it looked like a flower, but it wasn't a flower. Sometimes it looked like a pig, but it wasn't a pig. Sometimes it looked like a birthday cake, but it wasn't a birthday cake. Sometimes it looked like a sheep, but it wasn't a sheep. Sometimes it looked like a great horned owl, but it wasn't a great horned owl. Sometimes it looked like a mitten. Yes, you're right, but it wasn't a mitten. Sometimes it looked like a squirrel, but it wasn't a squirrel. Sometimes it looked like an angel, but it wasn't an angel. Sometimes it looked like spilt milk, But it wasn't spilt milk. It was just a cloud in the sky. Boys and girls, today, if you have your drawing and writing book, or if you just want to do it on a piece of paper, maybe you would like to draw a cloud or many clouds and count your clouds. Maybe if your mom or your dad has shaving cream in the house, you can put some on the table, on a surface or a counter. Counter might be better if you have a wooden table. And then you can spread it out and you can write in that. So it is maybe your name in the writing, or maybe you can make shapes or clouds in it. Maybe you could draw a picture of yourself or your mom, and then try writing a sentence in that shaving cream that's on your table. Do you need me to show you how to do it? Do you want me to show you how? I could. What I'll do is I'll make another video after this one if you want to see how it can be done. Just before I go today, I want to have you do one more thing if your mom and dad want you to, and it's a little science experiment. So what you need to do for the science experiment is you need to get a jar, and it can be a big one or it can be a small one like the one I have. And what you do, if it has a metal lid, then it seems to work a little better, but even saran wrap over top of a glass bowl or a cup will work too if you don't have a jar. If you do have a jar, I'd like you to put water, hot boiling water, so you need your mom to help you because we don't work with hot things when we're just 5 or 6 years old. But she could pour boiling water in here and then put the cap on tight and then get some ice from your freezer. It could even be frozen peas or vegetable or something, or it could be ice cubes in a bag, and put the ice on top of here and then watch what happens. What should happen is that when the cold air is up on the top, it will make this moist air in the jar that's trapped by the hot water go up to the top, and you can make rain. You will see drops of water forming on top of that lid, and they will drop down. So keep the lid on, don't take it off, or the saran wrap if that's what you're using. And you should be able to make some raindrops, and if you're really lucky, you might be able to see a cloud forming up at the top. So your water needs to be hot, your ice needs to be, yes, cold, very, very cold. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining me today. I want you to remember that you are loved, you are precious. God created you for a special purpose, and He loves you so much, and I love you too, and I sure miss you. And I hope to see you again tomorrow. Bye.